All right. I am live. This is exciting. What's going on, everyone? Big hello, hello. Haven't been live in a while, so this is cool. So, why am I live? Well, I am live because after many, many months of experimenting, working, evolving, my program, my LinkedIn Client Attraction program is live. It is live for enrollment, and I am starting the launch process. So I am getting the word out there and I am going live on all of the platforms. So, what is my program? Well, my program is a LinkedIn client attraction course where I teach B2B people how to, grow on LinkedIn. So I call it LinkedIn funnel hacking. It's this kind of, I play on funnel hacking. So, got these cool shirts made up as I want to start a movement. So, why is what I'm doing, why is LinkedIn funnel hacking any different than, anything else you heard? There's certainly a lot of LinkedIn coaches out there that will teach you how to so-called do well on LinkedIn. We got some people joining. What's up, Ryan? All right. So why is LinkedIn funnel hacking different than just learning how to use LinkedIn? Well, LinkedIn funnel hacking is really about doing it the opposite, doing everything differently. I'll talk about this in a second. But I've spoken with so many people who really are struggling to figure out how to use LinkedIn, right? How to use LinkedIn to grow your business, attract clients, network, whatever, right? How to grow your career on LinkedIn. And there's this lie, this like misconception that is really holding everyone back when it comes to how they use LinkedIn, right? It's this lie that if you're going to use LinkedIn to get anything done, you really need to spend all sorts of time going out there, chasing your clients and just like going after them, like outreach, like message everyone on your LinkedIn and, book calls. But that's really the wrong way to do LinkedIn. There's definitely an easier way to get clients on LinkedIn and get results on LinkedIn. And the easier way is to get them to come to you. That's what LinkedIn funnel hacking is. It's creating a funnel and getting your clients to come to you. So, I'm launching this new program, and really what my goal in the program, my goal when I'm working with my clients, with the students of my program, is to get their LinkedIn funnel built. The only way to really effectively use LinkedIn to get clients sort of at scale or, on autopilot or without having to spend hours and hours and hours at it is to turn your LinkedIn into a client attraction funnel. So that's sort of flipping the script on the old way and new way to do it. The old way to do it is where, you have your LinkedIn list and you're just outreaching to everyone. You say, I've heard LinkedIn coaches as recently as like yesterday say the way to get clients on LinkedIn is really just to hustle on there, like go to your connections, write them a message, see if they want to get on the phone. Like that's not the right way to do it, right? Because it takes so much time and it's just cold. So the way to do it is to get them to come to you through a LinkedIn client attraction funnel. That is really my goal, is to show you how effective that is. So like, what's my story, right? Why am I teaching LinkedIn funnels, LinkedIn funnel hacking? My story is that, after selling my last company, over 2 years ago, I started a new company. It was a B2B publishing company for entrepreneurs, professionals, business owners, so that they could increase their authority and make more money, right? So I ran into a problem though, and the problem is that I didn't know how to attract high value clients into my B2B business because it was something I had never done before. So now, I'm changing my career, and all of a sudden I'm trying to get people to pay me $10,000 to work with me, and I didn't know how to do that. And I never used LinkedIn before. So I realized I had run into this problem, and I just didn't know how to do it. That led me down a little bit of a journey, which led me to doing phone sales for a LinkedIn coach. So I started doing phone sales, for a LinkedIn coach. So every single day I was speaking with not, handfuls. So over the course of weeks and months, I was speaking with hundreds of business owners, entrepreneurs, just people who were struggling to figure out how to crack the code of LinkedIn, because everyone thinks that LinkedIn is complicated. LinkedIn is not complicated because it's not about LinkedIn. It's about how you present yourself on LinkedIn. But anyway, I digress. Really what I learned from speaking with so many people when it came to their LinkedIn strategy or their lack thereof strategy, what I learned from so many people was that they are making it more complicated. They're doing it the wrong way. They are stuck with getting results on LinkedIn because they think that they have to go do something. You know, they think that they have to sit down at their computer every day and, you know, go through this magic formula for how to get the clients on LinkedIn, when really that's not what it's about. It's about setting it up the right way the first time so that clients are then attracted to you, you know, based on the way you set it up, but also the tools you are using to draw traffic into your LinkedIn. That's really the new way to use it. So I call it the old way versus the new way. The old way is to go after your clients, and the new way is to turn your LinkedIn into a client attraction funnel so they come after you. So the old way is you go after them. The new way is as they come after you. And when you can get clients, when you can get prospects to come to you on LinkedIn, to reach out to you, to book calls with you, to send you messages, then it really changes the whole dynamic of how effective LinkedIn can be. So that's really what LinkedIn funnel hacking is. And I'm going to go live every single day, you know, as I'm launching my program to talk more about it. But that's the essence of LinkedIn funnel hacking, is doing it the new way, turning it around so that your clients are then coming to you. And what's so great about LinkedIn is that it is the world's biggest directory of business owners. Like, you cannot target people in a B2B sense on any other platform as effectively that you can do it on LinkedIn. So the opportunity right now is massive on LinkedIn. The social selling gold rush is like taking place right now. So for those that really figure out how to use LinkedIn the most effective way as possible, and when I mean effective, I mean at scale, right? So every day you have a system, you're running it, and you're bringing the right people into your, you know, LinkedIn ecosystem, into your business every single day. That's the way to do it, is to create a system. LinkedIn is not about like manual one-offs, okay? It's about creating a system. If you can get that system in place, if you can build that funnel, and you can figure out how to, like, you know, turn that traffic on, so every day you're sending dream client traffic into your LinkedIn, then that's really winning at the game of LinkedIn, okay? So that's what I mean by LinkedIn funnel hacking. There's a way to do it. If you are interested in, you know, what that way is, then go check out my 60-minute webinar, my 60-minute training. It's at LinkedIn funnel hacking, LinkedInfunnelhacker.com, LinkedInfunnelhacker.com. Yeah, you know, I put a 60-minute training up there where I really break down exactly what a LinkedIn funnel is, what the different parts of the LinkedIn funnel is, and how they work together, and also how we drive traffic into that funnel every single day without you really needing to spend more than a few minutes a day on your LinkedIn. So, you know, unlike the traditional way of thinking about LinkedIn, this is about doing it differently. It's about doing it the new way. It's really about disrupting everything that LinkedIn, you know, the traditional mindset of LinkedIn. So I'll leave it at that. Go check out LinkedInfunnelhacker.com, check out my training, and I will see you on the live tomorrow.